I no need to remind this common thing again and again. Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning. Those who are
Good
joining now,
morning, ma'am.
please join 1 or 2 minutes before. Yeah, good morning. We will wait 1 or 2 minutes more. Let everyone join, and then we'll start the classroom. Good morning. No good morning in chat box now. Chat box is closed. Sit with your books. Sit alert. Sit
Good
properly.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. I'm waiting for the few students. They can join. 1 or 2 minutes we will wait and then we start our today's class.
Ma'am, can I do my camera off for just 2 minutes? Let me bring the books.
Ma'am, which
Okay.
book we have to take out?
Karna, which subject you are learning?
Or ma'am, textbook or notebook?
Textbook.
Okay, ma'am.
Sit with your camera on, please, everyone. Don't think that teacher will repeat again and again. Teacher is noticing, and I'm telling you, definitely this is going to affect your grades. Those who are joining late, they are coming at 10, 11 also, 10, 12 also. Please remember that you have to join your class on time. 1 minute before is okay, but 1 minute
Ma'am,
late is not okay. Yes, Rahil.
ma'am, my camera is not opening.
Okay. Am I clear now? That one
Yes,
minute
ma'am.
before is okay to enter in the class, but 1 minute late is you are going to suffer because teacher will start the class on time and then you face the difficulty and you will say, ma'am, can you please repeat? And that will be very difficult for you and me. Okay, we have around 43, 44. Now I am going to start the class. Good morning, all of you once again.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, I want to
Morning.
show something.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah. Tusha, can you please show us?
Ma'am, I have done this on my graph book.
Very
So,
good.
ma'am, is this correct or not? Please check.
Yeah, the way is correct. Yes, the way is correct. The calculation, we will check it later. Can you please attach this work and send it to me so that I can see that? Right now, it is not possible to see like this. Okay.
Tisha, can you send
But
this to
good that you are
classroom?
trying. So that everyone can see. Okay.
Okay. Ma'am, today we'll do the other smart chats.
Yes. So now today, as you know, yesterday,
Renu ma'am,
yes,
can you see this graph dog?
let me pin you. Which graph dot is this?
Dog.
Dog. Okay. Now please mute your mics, everyone. Okay. Children, as you know, yesterday we have started our new chapter that is smart charts. In this chapter, we were learning about the different types of different smart charts, right? First, we have learned how to collect the raw data, and from the collection of that raw data, we are making the table. Now, I will start my today's class with one story. There were five friends. Okay. Five friends, like one is Trisha from your class only. One is Trisha. One is Meet. One is Lamha. And wait a minute.
Mummy.
One is Lakshya.
Ma'am,
Mummy.
me.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, me.
Rishta.
Children,
Ma'am,
if
me.
you, did I ask? Who, me? No, I am using your names. And one is Devyosha. These are the 5 friends, no? They went to the fair. Do you know what is fair?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Lakshay, can you? Children, please start writing in the. Wait, let me open the chat box and then write what do you mean by the word fair? Write in the chat box. Lakshya, switch on your mic and tell me what is fair.
Ma'am, type of so many rice there.
Okay.
And eating.
Okay. Okay. What?
And,
Vivan, chat box is open.
ma'am, or a type of games are there.
Games
Games.
are there. Okay. Mute your mic now.
And
Mute
fun,
your mic.
and so many funs ride are there. Fun.
Okay.
A lot
Thank
of
you,
fun.
Lakshya. Mute your mic. Ayansh,
Yeah,
what
ma'am.
else? What else you see when you go to the fair? Yes, children are giving me that fair is Mela. Good. And what else you see? Lakshya told the ride different rides and everything he see.
Ma'am,
Said,
can I
ma'am,
say?
Circus.
my dear, if I am asking from Ayansh, you please listen to it what I am asking. Ayansh, what else you see when you go to the fair?
Ma'am, many types of shops.
Very good, many types of shops. Okay, so these 5 children went and they have seen many types of shops, they have seen many types of rides, and then they enjoyed a lot.
Ma'am, I tell one thing.
Children, when I ask, then you write in the chat box. Please unmute your mics. Sorry, mute your mics. Yes, Kevna.
Ma'am, I had a doubt that is it a food fair or it's a normal fair?
Any fair. I will use the word fair. Any fair. Okay. So what happened when these friends went to the fair? Right. Out of these 5 friends, you have remembered, no, which names I have used? When I need, please tell me. Right. Now listen. Okay. Now, out
Ma'am,
of
can
these
I
5
do?
friends, yes, please, Lakshya, drink. You are not allowed to ask for drinking and for going to the washroom in the class. You may go because you are at your home. You can go. Now, one of the friend, he missed to go, like Prisha. Prisha has not got the chance to go with her friends. So she missed. And she asked from Lamha. Lamha, you went, no? I wrote your name. You went to the fair?
Yes, you wrote the name.
She is not responding. Okay, Twisha, I will tell you. Twisha, Prisha will ask Twisha.
Ma'am,
Twisha,
you asked
tell
me something.
Lama, wait now. Prisha will ask. They went to the fair. This is the fair. They went. And these were the Lamha, Twisha,
Migdat, say it properly, Migdat.
Lamha, Twisha, Devyosha, and Lakshya, and
me.
and me. These were the 5 friends they went. But Prisha didn't get the chance to win because of any reason. Right? Now, Prisha is asking from Twisha. Twisha, can you please tell me what you have seen there? Which all the stalls were there? So, what Twisha will do? Twisha will make a one table. Twisha will make the one table for the information she wants to give to the Prisha. Name of the shops and number of the shops, because she is asking which all the shops you have seen there, which all the stalls were there. So first she will name food items were there. One stall, food item stalls were there, and there were 5 food item stalls. Children, yesterday we have learned something. Can you tell me what I am doing right now?
Ma'am, you are
Data
making
table.
handling.
Information table. Information table.
Data
Very
handling.
good.
Data handling.
Very good, Lakshya. Very good. So the Lakshya said information table. I'm making the information table. I'm arranging the data in the table, and then it will be easy to explain to someone, right?
Yes.
So food item stalls were 5. Then toy stalls were 3. And then clothes stalls were 4. And some other stalls were there. So she said some other stalls were there. That was 2. Okay. So this was the table made by Tuisha to give the information to Prisha, because Prisha missed to go. But one of the friend Meet told, can I arrange this data in another form?
Sorry to interrupt, ma'am. Jahan, something like messages.
Jahan
Coming.
Agarwal, please. Chat box is closed now. So Meet told, I have learned one more method. Now I will present it in a different way. Okay, let's see how Meet is presenting it. Same name of the food items. Oh, sorry, name of the shops. And here something he will present. Number of shops. Name of the shops will be written in names only. But there are 5 shops, so he drew like this. In the, I'm not very good in drawing, so make it in the house form. These are the shops. So this way he had made 5 shops.
Ma'am, we can make anything over here. We can make.
Let me come on that. No, my dear, let me come on that.
Ashvi, please stop eating bacha. Please, beta. It is very difficult.
Ma'am,
Again and
draw.
again we interrupt you.
Ma'am, draw a triangle and draw a stick.
Okay.
So it will become the 10 type of the.
Very good. 10 type of stalls. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the 5 food item stalls. Then toys stalls were 3. So I will make only 3. And these are the clothes shops. Where I will make. How many I will make?
4.
4.
4. Ma'am, 4 is a food item.
Food items were 5. Toy shops were 3. Clothes shops were 4. With this table information, only I am making this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Clothes shops were 4. And other shops,
Ma'am, 2.
other shops were 2. Please do not unmute your mic. Listen and let others also listen and understand. See, children, now, is this attractive or this is attractive?
Second table. Second table.
Yes. The table which is made by Meet is more attractive, right? So, but what it is called? What this is called?
Pictograph.
Ma'am, pictograph.
Now let us, you all are saying this is
Yes,
pictograph.
pictograph.
You all are saying pictograph. Very good. Let us understand the meaning of pictograph. Any number which represent in the form of pictures is called the pictograph. Any number, जो कोई भी नंबर को हम पिक्चर्स में रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं उसको पिक्टोग्राफ कहते हैं. Have you understood about this? Now, as we are learning the smart chart, my children also smart, right? एक बच्चे ने कोई क्वेश्चन पूछा. One day I was teaching and one child asked me, मैम अगर 40 बच्चे होंगे तो क्या 40 पिक्चर्स बनाएंगे हम? 30 होंगे तो 30 पिक्चर्स बनाएंगे? Because here one picture shows one number, right? Am I clear or not?
Yes,
One
ma'am.
is equal to one.
Yes, ma'am.
But if the data comes 30 stalls were there, so will you make 30 shapes or 30 pictures?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ayush will tell me, Ayush, do you have any idea how can we solve this?
Ma'am, I have an idea.
Hmm?
In this pictograph, we always write that a picture is equal to how many. So instead of a picture is equal to 1, we could do a picture is equal to 3. Make
Yes.
3 pictures.
Yes.
Or ma'am, we can make 10 also.
We can. So for this, now I will tell you what to do. Because in this, the one child have asked, what does this picture mean? Then they have explained. One picture equals to one shop, and this way they calculated. But the other child have asked that what about if we have many number of shops? In that case, we have to put a key. What is that key called? For example, same table I will make.
Yes, ma'am, you make your stream table.
Then I will explain you. Food items. There were 5. Okay. And sorry, number of
Number of
shops.
Shops.
And here we will take number of
food
type
items.
of shop
Types of shops.
and number of shops. So that we have taken food item.
5, ma'am.
है ना? And then we have taken toy, then we have taken clothes, and then we have taken other different shops were there. And it was 5,
5,
4,
Nick, what
3,
are you doing?
4,
What are you
3,
doing,
2.
Nick?
And
Ma'am
toys
is changing clothes
Wait
in
a
front
minute.
of the class.
Wait a minute. Children, what is this? We need to remind you again and again the same thing. So I explained them. No, there was see in the when they were friends. No, in that friends group, one auntie came and one auntie explained them that no, when we go to the orchard to pack the apples, bananas, or fruits, what we do is that in one carrot is called a box. In one carrot, we pack 24 mangoes. So, if we pack 6 carrots or 6 boxes or 4 boxes, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we are not counting the number of mangoes, we are counting the number of boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes, and in each there are 24. It will be easy to find out how many mangoes were there total.
24.
Who is saying there?
answer
20, 16, 96. So the one auntie told that in the picture formation also we can write the numbers. Now, as I told that when it is 1, you are putting a key, then it will be easy. Now, if I put another number,
What is the meaning of key?
key is a point or a scale which you make कि आपकी ये जो एक इमेज है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपने ये जो पिक्चर बनाई,
Yes, ma'am.
this one picture equals to 2 shops. ये आपको हमेशा पिक्टोग्राफ में या तो बनी हुई आएगी या आपको बनानी है. Without this you will not able to read it, the pictograph, and you will not able to make the pictograph. Now,
Your board is not fully visible.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, a little more. That side. Yeah,
Ma'am.
ma'am. Visible.
Rudra, all the individual queries will be solved at the last. So, for example, I am using the smileys for this chart and I want to convert this table into the pictograph. can you please, right now I'm making it here only, but when you make the pictograph, you make it differently. Now, food item stalls were 8. So how many smileys I will make for this?
4.
4. What you will do, you will divide that number with the key.
Divided by 2.
My dear, no disturbance in the class. Because here right now 4 to 5 students know about the concept, in other will miss the concept. Total number of shops, food item shops were 8, and the key says the one smiley is for 2. You divide it by 2 and find out how many smileys you will make. Now toy shops were 4. So how many smileys you will make? You will divide it by 2 and write it in the chat box. 2. Divided by 2. How many smileys you will make for clothes?
3.
Who is saying 12? My dear, I'm not multiplying. I'm dividing it there. 2 is yours.
1. Ma'am,
1. Yes.
I have a doubt, like if we will be writing that key scale is 1 smiley is equal to 4. So the food item we will write it 2 only.
1 smiley equals to
4.
Then you make 2 smileys only in the food
Okay,
item.
so in it's I think it is not like that. It will be only 2. We can
No,
change
it is, yeah, you can change it. You can keep the key scale according to you also. But if it is given in the question that you have to read the scale according to this, then you have to read according to the question which is given.
Okay.
Sometime आपको की गिवन होती है तो आप उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही करोगे. समटाइम की नहीं होती. अब सपोज मेरे पास ये नंबर्स की इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है, मेरे पास खाली स्माइलीज है. आई हैव ओनली स्माइलीज एंड आई हैव अ की. Will I able to read that? How many? Will I able to find that? How many stalls were there? Yes. I will able to find it. Up now, how I will find it? Tell me. 1 smiley is for 2. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is the 8. 2 plus 2 is the 4. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is the 6. And 2.
1.
So it can be asked in any form. आपको pictures है, numbers में लिखना है, and how, and if there are questions, for example, I will do another question and I will explain you that. You all know that pictograph is the representation of numbers and pictures.
Yes, ma'am.
Doubts, individual doubts will be solved in the last 5 minutes. Now, for example, I have collected one data. There are students who are learning different co-curricular activities: dance, music, sports, and yoga. And some pictures are drawn. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 students in each activity. 4 smileys. Now,
In yoga, you forgot to write A. Y-O-G-A.
yeah, I have written. Now, जब तक आपको की नहीं है, will you able to understand this?
No, ma'am.
Will you, समृद्धि, जब तक आपके पास की नहीं है कि ये स्माइली का मतलब क्या है, will you able to understand this? मैंने यहाँ पे की नहीं दी है. No, you will not able to understand because मैंने यहाँ पे की नहीं दी है. First, I need to put a key. Now, one smiley represents 3 students. So, how many students were there in dance?
12.
12. तो सबसे पहले आपको each line में numbers में निकाल लेना है. And how you either you multiply with the key or either you plus, because you know the repeated addition is the multiplication is the repeated addition. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 for the smiley. Either you do this way. 12 students. Music में कितने students? 9. Sports में
15.
15. And yoga में
6.
So first of all, you have to find out with the key given. उससे आपको ये निकाल लेना है numbers में. Then you will able to give the answers of the questions which I will ask now. How many students are learning sports? You will not say
15.
very good. 15. You will not say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you will count smileys and give the answer, that will be wrong. Am I clear? Your answer will be how many students are learning sports?
15.
Your answer is 15. Okay, listen to me now. Which co-curricular activity is most popular? Most means सबसे ज़्यादा.
Sports.
Here, yes, sports is the most popular activity, co-curricular activity. Next is which co-curricular activity is least popular? Least means
Yoga.
How you are identifying by counting the smileys or by seeing the number?
Seeing the numbers.
By seeing the number. आपको नंबर पहले निकाल लेना है, otherwise you will get. आप इससे भी निकाल सकते हैं स्माइली से, but जब आपसे नंबर्स में आंसर पूछते हैं, then you will not give 5. You have to give the number which you have calculated. Am I clear to you all?
Yes,
Perfect.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm going to present my screen. Just a minute, and I will ask some questions. Can you able to see this?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the pictograph shows the students in my class come to school, use the graph to answer the questions. So by car, first of all, we have to study when the pictures are given, we have to study what key is given, what scale is given, क्या measurement लिया है, एक picture कितने के बराबर है. So one picture stands for how many, what is written over here? Am I audible to you all?
The sign of a human. Many students come the bag walking, school walking.
Now listen to me, okay? And then you speak. Each picture stands for one student. So now, how many? I will go to the down questions later on. First of all, we need to calculate how many are coming by car.
8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if we write 8 here, 1, because when we multiply 1 by 8, we get the answer 8. Listen, my dear children. So 8 multiplied by 1, because each student is for 1. Each picture stands for 1 student. So 8 multiplied by 1 equals to 8. Then mute your mic, my voice is echoing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here are 5. So 5 multiplied by 1 equals to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 multiplied by 1 is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 multiplied by 1 is 10. Now, sorry. Now come to the questions which are down. How many students come to school by walking? So again we go to the table and we see how many students have
10 students.
10 students.
10
only
students.
one or
10
two
students.
students unmute their mic and give the answer. Others will write in the chat box. Learn the class discipline.
Ma'am, the cut is blocked.
Now it is coming.
Yes.
How many students come by bus?
7.
7.
7.
How many students come by car then by bicycle? Here, how many more students come by car than by bicycle?
8. Much 3. 3.
3, ma'am. 3, ma'am.
Now listen here. This is very, very important. When word more or less is coming, there you have to compare and find out the difference. Now listen, because this is the new thing. Don't give answer randomly. You will face the difficulty once you give the answers like this. How mute your mics, please. Okay, I will not start
Jahan
my
Agarwal
class.
ma'am is repeatedly saying microphone off. Jahan, ma'am,
Wait
you
a
just
minute.
mute.
Yeah. He muted, right? Yes.
Yes.
Children, what is this? You don't listen what teacher is saying in the class? Stop raising your hand. Put your lower down your hands, everyone. How many more students come by car than by bicycle? So we see how many. First of all, we will see one. Again, the mic is
Rudra
on.
Master's mic is on.
My goodness. Children, I will stop now and I will leave the today's class here only. So first we have to see how many are there in cycle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in car 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now write in the chat box how write in the Farzan.
Ma'am, the chat isn't available.
Yeah, ma'am. Chat isn't available.
Yeah, wait a minute.
Ma'am, chat is closed.
Write in the chat box. How many more are coming by car? Yes, by 3. Okay. Now go to the next question. How many students are there in my class all together? Now, what for finding all together, what you have to do, you have to take the students coming by car, students coming by bicycle, students coming by bus, and students coming by walk. Add them together and find the total number of students all together. Have you understood this thing? Show me thumbs up. No unmuting your mics, please. Show me thumbs up. You understood how to find all together by adding all students. Now go to the next. How many students do not come to school by car? This how you will find. You tell me first, write in the chat box. You know all together. How
Ma'am,
many
I
all
can see-
together? You know how, wait a minute. You know how many are total. You know how many are coming by car. Now you find out how many are not coming by car. So please write in the chat box, what is the method of finding this? How to find this? Now 3 is over. My next question has come. Now if you do like this, writing the previous answer, I will block the link and you will not able to write anything. My next question is, have you find out how many students were there total? Let me find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There were 10. Okay. I will start from the beginning.
17.
Let me find out. If you want to.
Students did not come from car.
If you want to see what I'm doing on my board, pin on my board screen. I'm counting it, my dear. It will be very difficult. 5, 6, 7 by bus and by foot or by walk. You can say
10.
10. So when you do the total, Lakshay, you were telling 17. So how you were calculating 17? I don't know.
No, 10 plus 17 is equal to 17 plus 5. I'm telling.
Yeah, 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 plus 5. Mute your mics now. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 and plus 8 is 30. 30 students are there in total, but out of that 8 are coming by car, minus 8. So how many are coming by other transport? 22. Yes. So you know, okay, good. Have you understood how to solve the pictograph?
Yes, ma'am.
One more question is there for
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
We will do that. Now there the scale was 1 and that was easy to find out. Now see the next. Can you all able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
There was a tomato feast. Reading a pictograph, harvest season was there and the farmers were picking their tomatoes. The number of tomatoes are shown in the pictograph below. Note, each tomato in the pictograph stands for 5 tomatoes. अब यहाँ पर key क्या दी हुई है? What is the key given
थोड़ा सा आपको
here?
you need to pick take
Ma'am,
it up because we cannot see the
ma'am, you are telling me?
yes.
Ma'am, key is given here in the language only. They have to read. वो
No,
दिखा
but
दूंगी मैं. हाँ, वो दिखा दूंगी. ये रही.
हाँ ma'am.
One
Yes. Now
tomato
it is
pictures is equal to 5 tomatoes.
It is given here in the question also. Each tomato, can you all able to see my cursor? Each
Yes, ma'am.
tomato in the pictograph stands for 5 tomatoes. Children, please, when the language is given in the question, don't miss it. You read that also. Sometime it is given in the questions only. नीचे नहीं लिखा हुआ होता. But here you have an advantage of these that दोनों जगह लिखा हुआ है. In the question also and here also they made it like this. So they are showing that one picture, this one tomato picture is equals to the 5 tomatoes. So first of all, in each day, you have to find out how many tomatoes they have picked. If you want to find the calculation, please pin on my board screen. I am writing there. Don't pin on my present screen, pin on my board screen. Day 1, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pictures are there and each picture is for 5. So total they picked 30 tomatoes on day 1. Then come to the day 2. They have picked 4 tomatoes and each tomato is for 5. So it will be 20.
20.
Now comes to the day 3. They have picked again 4 tomatoes and each
20.
20. And the day 4 they picked
3 tomatoes. 15.
3 tomatoes and each for 15. After finding the value in the numbers, now it will be easy for you to give these answers. How many tomatoes did the farmer pick on the first day?
30 tomatoes. 30 tomatoes.
30. Those who are saying 30, their answer is right. And those who are only counting the tomatoes in here and giving the answer 6, their answer will be wrong. Am I clear? So please pay attention here. What day did the farmer pick the most tomatoes? यहाँ आपको only day का नाम लिखना है. Very good. Can I proceed now? Which days did the farmer pick the same amount of tomatoes? How many did he pick in total? Both of days. First of all, आपको days के लिए
Day 2 and day 3.
Day 2
and day 3. They picked 4
Day 2
Day 2 and day 3.
Okay, now coming to there are 2 questions. Please mute your mic. Arya, mute your mic, please. Arya, mute your mic. Okay. First, listen to here. Now on the question number, when you see question number 3, there are 2 questions given together. So you need to give the answers of both the questions. Don't miss that. If you give the answer of one and miss the other one, you will get half marks. So when you are reading the questions and giving the answers, please read carefully. Which day did the farmer pick the same amount of tomatoes? So day 1, day 2 and day 3. This is the answer of first part. Go to the next part. How many did he pick in total both of those days? Now you have to
20.
give the answer
20.
total.
20.
So,
I'm 40.
if you give answer 20, your answer is wrong. They are asking total
40.
for both the days.
Total is 40.
Total for both the days is 40 because day 2 is 20 plus day 3 is 20 equals to 40 tomatoes for both the days. Now come, what is the difference between the number of tomatoes picked on day 3 and day 4? Difference means you have to subtract. So from which is greater? Day 3 is greater and day 4 is... What is the difference? 5 tomatoes difference.
5 tomatoes difference.
Yes, because day 3 there are 20 and day 4 there are 15 only. So 5 is the answer. Go to the next. How many tomatoes in total did he pick? Now to total आपने यहाँ पे each and every day का निकाला. You add them.
I'm 85.
50, 60, 70, 85 tomatoes in all. Have you all understood now how to
Yes, ready
read the how to read the pictograph and how to draw the pictograph? Yes? Yes, those
Yes,
who have the
ma'am.
individual queries now they stay, others can leave. Thank you for
Ma'am, I
today's
want to.
class.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes, stay there.
Ma'am,